Hey everyone! Welcome back to Marvel Odox, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you love cars, bikes, and everything on wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into today's video. The Tata Nano is making a comeback in 2025. Yes, you heard it right. The iconic Indian compact car that revolutionized affordable transportation is set to return with a futuristic twist. But what exactly will the 2025 Tata Nano bring to the table? Will it be electric? Will it be as budget-friendly as before? And most importantly, can it shake up the Indian automobile market once again? Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about the all-new Tata Nano 2025. First, let's take a trip down memory lane. The original Tata Nano was launched in 2008 with the ambitious goal of being the world's cheapest car. It promised a four-wheeled alternative to two-wheelers at an incredibly affordable price. However, despite its innovative approach, the Nano faced challenges in terms of safety concerns, marketing, and consumer perception. The production was eventually discontinued in 2018. But fast forward to 2025, Tata Motors is bringing back the Nano, and this time, it's set to be better than ever. So, what's new with the 2025 Tata Nano? Let's start with the most exciting update, the powertrain. Reports suggest that the Nano is returning as an electric vehicle EV. That's right. With the global shift towards sustainable transportation, Tata is making the right move by introducing an all-electric Nano. The new model is expected to be powered by Tata's Gyptron technology, which is already being used in the Tata Nexon EV and Tigor EV. This means better battery efficiency, longer range, and improved performance. Speaking of performance, let's talk about the battery and range. While Tata Motors hasn't officially confirmed the specifications, industry experts predict that the 2025 Tata Nano EV will come with a 17 to 20 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, offering a range of around 200 to 250 km on a single charge. This would make it an ideal urban commuter car, perfect for daily city drives, and with Tata's growing network of fast chargers, recharging will be quick and convenient. Now, what about the design? Will it still have that cute, compact look? Well, yes and no. The 2025 Tata Nano is expected to retain its signature compact dimensions, making it one of the smallest cars on Indian roads. However, it will receive modern styling updates, including sleeker LED headlights, a more aerodynamic body, and stylish alloy wheels. The car's overall stance will be more futuristic, blending compactness with a bold new identity. Inside the cabin, the new Tata Nano is likely to undergo a massive transformation. The old, bare-bones interior will be replaced with a modern, tech-savvy dashboard. Expect to see a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate control, and even connected car features. Tata Motors has been focusing heavily on technology in its recent models, and the Nano EV will be no exception. And one major concern with the old Nano was safety. The new model will undoubtedly address this issue. With stricter safety regulations in place, Tata Motors is expected to equip the 2025 Nano with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. The inclusion of these features will make it a much safer and more reliable vehicle than its predecessor. Now comes the most important question: how much will the 2025 Tata Nano cost? The original Nano was known for its ultra-low price, but with new technology and safety features, we can expect a higher price tag. Experts predict that the Tata Nano EV could be priced around Rs. 5-7 lakhs, approximately $6,000 to $8,500. While this is more expensive than the old model, it is still one of the most affordable electric cars in India. And with government subsidies and incentives for EVs, the final price could be even lower. So, who is the 2025 Tata Nano for? If you are someone looking for an affordable, eco-friendly, and compact city car, then the Nano EV could be the perfect choice. It's designed for urban commuters, first-time car buyers, and those who want to switch to electric vehicles without breaking the bank. What does the launch of the 2025 Tata Nano mean for the Indian automobile market? Well, it could disrupt the entry-level car segment and push other manufacturers to introduce affordable EVs. Right now, the Indy EV market is dominated by premium models, but with the Nano EV, Tata Motors could change the game. This move aligns with the Indian government's push for electric mobility, and if successful, it could pave the way for more budget-friendly electric cars in the future. But what do you think? Will the new Tata Nano EV be a success? Would you consider buying one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Tata Nano, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Marvel Odox for more awesome car content. And we've got plenty of exciting videos coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.